While we're on jack storage and spare tire stuff here, I just wanted to show you. Now, we don't have the original spare tire cover. Again, I'm not sure what to do with that. If we leave it like this wheel does have a little oxidation on it. But I found a wheel lock on here, and I was like, I only ever got one key with the car. So I thought we were gonna have to break that off or try to get it off, because I'm assuming it was a different key. But it actually takes the original key. You stick it in and pull it off. I don't know if you can see down inside there, but when you pull the key out, the tumblers actually move away, and then it locks onto the grooves inside here. So to put it back on, keep the key in it, push it on, hold it, pull the key out, and it's locked on. That was just genius, absolute genius. Why can't everything be that easy nowadays? Anyhow, little fun fact for you. Original key, stick it in, pull it off, pull it back out, wheels locked. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. We'll keep talking about stuff.